Hey, this is Rama from Creations Landscape Designs and the Illustrated Landscapes blog. So I had my kitchen light redone and I wanted to show you the process of having it redone. But before I do that, I make videos about California native plants, drought tolerant plants, sustainability, and anything and everything in between. So if you'd like to get more of that content in your feed, then hit the red subscribe button. So let me turn this camera around. Okay, so getting new kitchen lights. Removed all the fluorescent, well, the electrician did. And there's going to be 4 can lights. Wait, hold on. So this is Doug, DBS. What does DBS stand for again?
Name of my Douglas Bradley Stager.
Ah! Ooh. Oh, this is going to look so much better. Especially with the new kitchen countertops. Oh, that's going to be cool. Oh, so yeah, it's almost going to not exactly centered, but close enough.
Well, this here basically, this side of the light goes right up against the stud, and the same thing over there.
Oh, cool.
So, and like I said, between the lights when they project out, you're going to have overlapping light here in the middle. And we're going to be pretty bright.
Hey, that's what I want in the kitchen.
Yeah, well, the nice thing about it is these only consume like, I think 10 watts or 8 watts.
Even better.
It's equivalent to 75 watts of light output, but so what is its consumption? $12.6 watts.
Oh, cool.
So.
And then once it's all installed, I can paint the inside. Whoever invented the stud finder must be making bank.
Well, the thing about it is sometimes it makes measuring obsolete even. Because see, this here, I'm using this edge that I measured with.
Right.
Off of this edge here, this stud, it doesn't matter if I use a tape measure, it's going to be the same here as what it is over here. So that's going to dictate how close I can get to it.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Uh-huh.
So, I mean, using a tape measure is almost pointless at that point in time.
Saves you hassle like this.
Another thing you'll like about these lights, I think.
I hope.
Well, it's just they're energy efficient.
Oh, cool.
And depending on
Wait, let me see.
what type of light you like, it's got 3 different light color variations.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So there's a lot of variables there.
Well,
okay, this is where you probably don't want to be looking up because dust is going to go in the face. In fact, I'll get this one first. So
dust is going to go everywhere.
No, just if you're looking up at it, there's a good chance
of course.
you're going to get a small particulate in your face.
Make sure it's fine.
See that there, showing a stud right there.
That's weird.
Yeah.
Woohoo! We got our first haul!
Why do they make sewer lids round?
Why did they what now?
Why do they make sewer lids round instead of square?
I don't know. Oh. Duh.
I can't. Why? So it can't fall in on them. And they open it up,
Right?
so the lid can't fall down. Okay. So.
So now you can really feel in.
Okay. Put it there. And let's see, verify those measurements. 10 by 12 and a half.
Woohoo! Hole number 2.
Hat track. See how close that came? About like theft around here. Of course, it could happen anywhere, like Preston as well.
Yeah.
So.
Third hole being cut. One more hole to cut, and then we're almost done.
Wire it up.
That too, but
That too.
at least done cutting holes. Progress being made. One almost done with 3 more to go. So this is the current state. Love the can lights. And then I called the drywall company that is hopefully going to be able to come at some point in January to then add molding, because my thought is just basically in all the edges add simple molding and obviously then paint the interior, and most likely this inside bit I'll just have it painted white. So yeah, this definitely is not going to get done for Christmas, because there's no way I would expect the company that does the drywalling to be able to come out this week or even next week. They'll probably be super busy, guessing here. Okay, so this is Fermin from Above It All Drywall. He's taped off everything and he's gonna basically drywall patch this whole thing. Now I won't be able to show you the actual process as much because I don't want to get myself all kinds of dirty. But I'll show you what it looks like when it's all over. So this is what the kitchen light is looking like. So gorgeous. The electrician did have to come back because the drywaller had to take apart the lights, and when he put them back together, something went amiss. Because then we were snap crackling and popping as we're not supposed to be. So yeah. I love it. Oh my god, it just 1000% better. And then this is the current state of my kitchen. I was gonna tidy up for this video and then I thought, let's just keep it real. You know? But yeah, this is what the kitchen now looks like and I love it. Along with these new cabinets, I mean, yeah.